Guys, I don't know if any of you have been treated the way I was treated in any of all these white people live streaming. There was one certain time I get into one of them's live stream. I just loved the way they were, vibing. And then I sent a request, the lady brings me up. Immediately I comes up and then open my camera. She saw me, I'm a brag. He said, hey, Africa. No, 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 we don't want you here. They dropped me. Omo. I was on the comment section. The next thing I started seeing the way they were, laughing and mocking. I felt really bad. Now, look at Action Speed in African and seeing the love the Africans are projecting out there. Now, every white people right now, eyes are opening, now beginning to know that what was told to them before was wrong totally.